Hello, advisors, and welcome to day 4 of the 14-day Business Advisory Bootcamp. Today's session is where the wow factor really kicks in. We're going to show you how to use ChatGPT to build smart, structured, professional business plans for your clients and maybe even for yourself. No blank page, no writer's block, no expensive consultants. This is business planning on demand. Today's presentation is sponsored by Coleman Tanner Small Business Consulting, your source for strategic business solutions, and is a product of Entrefluencer Training Company. Here's what you'll be able to do by the end of today's session. Explain the purpose and structure of a solid business plan. Use AI tools, specifically ChatGPT, to generate plan sections quickly. Customize prompts to suit different industries and client goals. And offer business planning as a paid, low-cost, but high-value business advisory service. This is one of the easiest services to sell and deliver as a new business advisor, and it's especially important for startup clients. A business plan isn't just for banks and investors. It's a strategic map. It helps your clients think very clearly and prioritize effectively and stay focused when things get messy, as they will. The plan forces alignment on mission, market, money, and momentum. It's not a one-time document that collects dust on a shelf. It's a living guide that evolves as the business evolves. Here's the reality. Most business owners never finish their business plan. Why? Because they don't know where to start. They don't have time. They're overwhelmed by templates on the internet, or they think that their plan has to be perfect before they start to really use it. And that's where you and ChatGPT come in. ChatGPT allows you to help your clients create high-quality business plans in a fraction of the time. You prompt the AI, and it generates a first draft based on the business idea, the audience, and the business owner's goals. You still need to edit and guide and personalize the draft, but the heavy lifting is done in seconds. It is a game changer. Here's a simple structure to work from. Executive summary, business description, market analysis, products and services, marketing strategy, financial projections, funding needs, unless the startup founder is going to fund it themselves. Each of these can be drafted with ChatGPT and then refined with your client's input. So it's helpful to start with a questionnaire, and I have one that I'll give you as a template that you can use to gather information from the business owner so that you can plug it into ChatGPT. Let me show you how easy this is. Here's a ChatGPT prompt you can use for the executive summary. Remember, the executive summary is just one section of the full business plan. Here's the prompt. Write a one-paragraph executive summary for a mobile dog grooming service targeting busy professionals in Jacksonville, Florida. Emphasize convenience, quality, and time-saving benefits. Boom. ChatGPT will generate something structured, professional, and editable. You can do this for every section of your business plan. Here are a few tips to get better output from ChatGPT. Be specific. Include the business type, the location, and the audience. Use bullet point format if you want shorter chunks. Use tone guidance, such as make this friendly, or make it professional, or keep it concise. Ask for 3 different options if you want variations to choose from that you can show your clients and let them decide on which option is best for them. And remember, you can always edit and refine after the AI gives you a first draft. When offering this service to your clients, Give them these value pack deliverables: a printable or editable business plan template, a guide to the 7 core sections of the business plan, customized ChatGPT prompts, which can be done for you or fill in the blank. And another option is to add a 1 hour planning session that you can meet with a client and co create the document live. With these tools in mind, you can sell the business plan development package for a range between, let's say, $97 to $1,000. There are people that charge $5,000 to $25,000 to write business plans. So you have a lot of variation for people that are just getting started. Here's how to make this service easy and scalable. Bundle it as part of a startup launch package. Offer a business plan review for clients who already have their first draft. Turn ChatGPT sessions into recorded video walkthroughs so that they can DIY the business plan. Use the business plan as a launchpad for your other services like cash flow, marketing, and automation. One plan can open the door to a dozen other paid engagements. So I like the idea of keeping it low. I'm actually offering a startup business plan for $99 for small businesses with a certain scope attached to it so that it doesn't go too far out. And that way I could have a relationship started with a person who asked me to develop a small business plan for them. And then we can move forward with that. So you can use this as a launch pad, and I highly recommend that you do that. Okay, for your homework assignment for day 4, I would like for you to use the workbook to map out a mock business plan using the ChatGPT prompts that you find inside of the workbook. Choose a business idea. It could be a real business or a fictional business, and draft at least 3 of the 7 core sections that we covered today. And then I want you to share your favorite prompt inside of the comments, or share your best results from working with a client that you provide this business plan for. And if you turn this into a short PDF lead magnet to attract business owner clients, you get bonus points for that. So, well done, business advisors. You've just learned how to turn a traditionally boring business task into an exciting and high value service powered by AI. Tomorrow, we're talking about exit strategies, how to help clients think long term, and to prepare for a profitable exit. You don't want to miss that one. See you inside of day 5 tomorrow. Thanks for joining me. Take care.